Now we'll come to the next one, which is a very important one, is mechanism of esterification. Now that you need to understand it. Now this one you need to practice, understood? Need to practice this particular one. I am explaining you. You can see that RCOH and H plus ion. From H plus ion, from where we got? Concentrated sulfuric acid or HCl, whatever it is. That will give you H plus ion. So now that from the carbonyl, C double bond O is known as a carbonyl group. Remember it. That carbonyl oxygen, that is donate a pair of electron to H plus ion, and hence what you can say is that H is attached to this, what you can say, this carbonyl group. Okay. Now as you can see, oxygen is having 3 bonds, which is not possible. You can see here 2 bond with carbon and 1 bond with hydrogen, which is not possible. Hence a pair of electron goes from that carbon which is having double bond to oxygen, and moreover oxygen is positive charge because it donates electron to H plus ion, and hence we get a product which you can see is that RCOH and positive charge is there. That means you get a carbocation is being there containing 2 OH group. Achha. Now this carbocation, got it, this particular one carbocation, it reacts with alcohol. You can see that R-OH, it reacts with alcohol to form an addition product. Clear? Now that addition product, in that addition product, hydrogen gives a pair of electron to oxygen. Why? Because oxygen is positive charge. You can see that oxygen develops positive charge. That is, the addition product is oxonium ion. So it gives a pair of electron to oxygen, the oxonium ion it gives. And what it forms is that it forms that is H plus ion is released, and what you get it is there, you get 2 OH group. Now one OH group, that is a pair of electron is given to carbon, got it, and from OH group the oxygen, a pair of electron goes to H plus ion. In that case what happens is that you get an addition product here. You can see the arrow, it is very difficult to explain me here. You can see an arrow there, the red arrow, which is showing that hydrogen is giving a pair of electron to oxygen at the top in the carbonyl group, and at the bottom you can see that carbon bond, that which is being forming with HOH, it's giving pair of electron to oxygen. In both the cases, why it is giving? Because the oxygen is positive charge here. In both the cases, hydrogen is here at the top, you can see is giving a pair of electron, at the bottom also it's giving pair of electron, because oxygen is positive charge. I have told you repeatedly that oxygen cannot be positive, it is either neutral or negative. So hence what you get ester, RCOOR dash, ester. Water is released, at the bottom you can see HOH, that water is released, and H plus ion is released from the top. So hence this is a mechanism of esterification. Please children, you do this process, you see this process from my screen, it will be there with you. You take this particular process, got it, and I'll send you a pic also of this particular process. If it is little bit difficult in the AZ screen recorder, then I'll send you the pic. You take this pic or this process and listen to my audio which I said and practice it. Once you practice it, then you'll understand it. If you don't, then you call me, I'll explain you. Thank you very much.